It's in a Rockstar 12. This is a video on how to start your lawnmower. Now I just started this so it would be easier for a video because I'm holding an iPod, so it's easier to start it right away. First of all, what you want to do is make sure you have gas, and correct gas and the correct engine oil, amount of engine oil, enough to start it. This is my Yardman. And right here shows you prime it 3 times, sometimes more for other lawnmowers, older lawnmowers particularly. The primer button is normally located right under the sticker. Press that the amount of times you need to. Like I said, I already started it, so I don't need to be priming it. Then what you want to do, hold down this bar right here. It's called the safety bar. Disengages the mower. Turn it off and hold that down. It should start right up because normally it'll take 2 to 3 pulls, but like I said, I started it just a minute ago, so it'll start right up. Right now I'm holding it with my arm. Sorry for the bad angle. That's how it is. Like I said, that turns it off. Okay. There you go. Also, this is my lawnmower, lawn tractor. I guess a lot of people don't have this. This is normally key start or pull start. And it won't start because, of course, I won't start it because it's got the air filter off. And this right here is where the gas gets transferred. So the gas would just come pouring out of the engine, which is not good. It's a fire hazard. Like I said, hold on, you really can't see it. Let me move this. Sorry, I had to move that. It says Lawn Boy. It's a Lawn Boy. Engine, Briggs & Stratton, 8 horsepower. Oh, that's not good. Definitely not good. There. Now it's blown out. But yeah, you can pull it. You need the key to start it, so it won't start. It's a pretty nice lawnmower. It's the RE8E. Again, nobody has this on YouTube. Okay, thank you. Bye.